It's really basic. Its functionality right now is basically what you saw here. It can do SIP calls. It can do live call failover. Obviously, we're going to want it to do a lot more than that, but we have a lot of work left to do. Actually, that's where you guys come in. We haven't even finished designing all of what *SCF needs to do yet. This is an entirely new platform, and we're not trying to build what Asterisk is. We're trying to build something that's targeted at a different set of applications. So we're going to want you to get involved, and of course, you're going to want to be able to experiment with it. The simplest way for that, of course, is to connect it to an Asterisk server, since you're familiar with that, just like we did here on the stage, so you can hook up PSTN calls and whatever else you need. And our goal, of course, is to make *SCF be the platform that you want to use to build really powerful and scalable communications applications 3 or 5 or even 10 years from now, just like Asterisk did when it started 11 years ago. Of course, since this is a keynote, we've only scratched the surface of what *SCF is, and more importantly, what it's going to be in the future. So you're going to want to get more information. Well, the first place that you're going to be able to do that is we've set up a new wiki site. It's not live at the moment. Don't try to go there with your cell phones. It hopefully will be later today. On this wiki, we're going to have all the architecture details of *SCF, the documentation of the design discussions. We even have voice recordings of calls we've been having regularly with Asterisk community members who've been acting as a steering committee to help us figure out what *SCF should be. In addition, we've taken all the documentation that we have for Asterisk itself and put it on the same wiki, so all of you and all Asterisk users will have one place they can go to get all their questions answered about Asterisk and *SCF both. Now, some of you may be developers who have built applications on Asterisk in the past. If that's true, you might be interested in a session that's on the schedule today at 3:30, which you wouldn't have known why it was on the schedule before, about another open source project called ICE, the Internet Communications Engine. *SCF makes extensive use in ICE. In fact, it wouldn't exist without ICE, really. And all of its APIs are defined using ICE. So those of you who are application developers, that session will be a brief introduction to how ICE works and how you utilize things from an application. And equally as importantly, for those of you who aren't developers, you've probably got questions too. So we're going to have another session in this room at 4 o'clock today, which you saw on the boards as a special Q&A session, where we're going to do another presentation about more details about what *SCF is, and we'll have a couple of hours to just do questions and answers and talk about what we've built and where this is going. We hope to see some or all of you at both of these sessions, because we're really at the beginning of something amazing again, and it's time to get to work, so thank you.